Hello, this is Toffel with Toffel's Tutorials, and today we're going to go over how to zip a file or compress a file, and how to do the reverse and unzip it or uncompress it. The benefit of this is if you want to send something to someone through email and it's too big, you can compress it. If you want to keep things tidy and have a whole bunch of files in one file, that can be handy. There are a lot of uses for zipping. This is for zipping within Windows 10. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to highlight the files that we want to zip. I'm going to highlight 4 files. To do that, you just press one file, hold down the Control key, and there you have your 4 files all highlighted. Now you pick any of the 4 files and right click, and you go down to Send To, and you go to where it says Compressed Zipped Folder. Sometimes it'll say compressed, sometimes it'll say zipped, but it's the same thing and it doesn't matter what it says. Now you can see that the folder that we made is called zip. It's Doom 2-09.zip, and you can see the zipper on the folder, and that tells you that it's a zipped file. So now you have it done, and we'll look at it. It's 104 KB. Let's go here and see how much we saved. This is 371 KB, so we saved about 2/3 of our space. Now if you want to unzip it, you highlight the file, the zip file, double click, and here you see the 4 files. If you highlight them again, you can just say here, extract all, and it asks you where you want to extract them, and there's a tick box that says show extracted files when complete, which is a lot easier than going and finding them yourself, so leave it ticked. And then we're going to hit the extract button. And there you go. That is how you zip and how you unzip, and I hope that this has been of some use to you, and I hope that you will put in the comments section other things that you would like a tutorial about. And if you would, please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more tutorials. I've already done about 10. I will be doing more. So thank you and good night.